A tough day in Alabama for workers at Pickens County Medical Center as it closed its doors for good today. This left many workers jobless and many others feeling uncertain about their health care. WTVA's Sydney Darden is live in Pickens County, Alabama with how those in Carrollton and beyond are holding up.
Well, Craig, the administrators and patients are gone as of noon this morning. Most doors have locks on them now, but the remaining feeling in this community is one of absolute shock and devastation.
A lot of people that depend on that money. I mean, that's a paycheck that's just not coming no more for a lot of people.
Skylar Condras says the news of his wife losing her job as a radiologist at the Pickens County Medical Center couldn't have come at a worse time.
Just scared because she's pregnant.
He and 200 other families' lives were turned upside down when they heard the facility was closing its doors for good.
I actually believe I found out before she did that she's lost her job. 5 days just, to me, wasn't enough notice.
And the hospital closing didn't just affect the workers. Right across the street are other healthcare companies whose patients wonder what they'll do if they, in fact, have a medical emergency during their visit.
And I just feel bad about it because there'll be nowhere for us to go closer to home.
Robert Cassette commutes to his appointments with DaVita Dialysis right next to the hospital. Even though the independently owned facility will stay open, Cassette says he'll have to commute to Tuscaloosa for his other medical treatments.
It's too long a drive to go way over there.
He says what was once a 10-mile trip to the hospital could now be a 30-mile journey for emergency care, leaving him and others praying for something to bring the city's healthcare resources back to life.
And I do hope that something can come for this county. I mean, this little county needed that hospital.
Now, although the hospital is already closed, workers here at the Healthplex, the health center behind me, say that they're trying to keep it open until the 30th. So it is open as of right now, but they're not sure how much longer they can keep it going. We're live here in Pickens County. Sydney Darden, WTVA 9 News.
And former patients at the hospital can call this number if you need to get access to your medical records, 205-367-8111 at extension 102. You can also find the number at WTVA.com.